touch that, it won't run.
I teach 7th and 8th grade science, so a lot of what I've signed up for has been things I think could be applicable in my curriculum. I did the coding first, and then I was in the sound recording studio. It was kind of cool that we kind of were able to put a lot of things together. The kids could record their own sounds in the studio, and then you can download it into the coding program, and they can build their own song with their own sounds.
How are you guys? Thanks for coming out today, everybody.
Nice to meet you.
This is exciting. She's making it fun, right? I just wanted to stop her for a minute and thank all of you all, because we were just talking, Dr. Pamela and I, that you all, what a year. I just can't even begin to imagine, and we thank you so much for all that you've done.
This has been amazing, actually, a lot of fun. A few months ago, we got to come in and do a quick tour. I've just started the 3D printing, and I'm building my car right now, so I really am enjoying that. I like the build aspect of it, even though it's just a virtual build, but so far I think that's my absolute favorite.
That's terrific.
Thank you.
And how fun would that be for your students?
Oh, they'll enjoy it.
I always look forward to getting places to bring my kids on field trips and things, and this is kind of a cool, different kind of field trip from what we're used to and what the kids are going to be used to. It's going to be cool to get the kids thinking outside the box in terms of science stuff.
My goal is to be able to, one, to be able to have them visit this facility because it's just fantastic, but two, being able to create lessons that would incorporate a lot of what is going on here in the building. Anyone in the area can come and visit and create and develop their own projects here. I think is a really, really nice thing that they're doing here.